Evening everybody and welcome to my channel. Ethereum is a highest level mineable coin with a ticker ETH that has a current worth of $2,000.29 and a market capitalization of $240,592,475,669. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul forecast of the improvements on the ETH market that depend on the readings of our exceptional crypto volatility index that assists us with measuring the market opinion and expect the bearing where the market plans to head. At this point, the cost of Ethereum is $2,000.29, while the coin as of now winds up at second spot in the general positioning. The said positioning is assessed based on the resource's current value, that is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, an equation that is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients get the most important information in regards to the presentation of advanced assets in their portfolios. It's additionally critical to consider the verifiable information that permits shaping an appropriate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing. On May 13, the cost of Ethereum was at $1,963.25 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 2.50%. 7 days prior, on May 7, ETH was esteemed at $2,695.04, and that truly intends that from that point forward, the cost has changed by 0%. A month prior, on April 14, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $3,117.97. Along these lines, the coin has made a 35.85% move to arrive at its current standings. Recently, on May 13, ETH had a market capitalization of $237,069,454,284. Keep going week, on May 7, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $325,222,075,626. A month prior, on April 14, the market worth of Ethereum was surveyed to be $375,300,068,643. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $15,573,204,228. Recently, on May 13, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $42,482,158,220. 7 days prior, on May 7, how much ETH that was traded between market members was assessed at $21,028,822,494. Here, we brought a piece of fascinating data for every one of the dealers and financial backers who are infatuated with exchanging. One of the greatest crypto resources is Ethereum, and it is additionally notable as ETH. Further in this video, you will find out about Ethereum cost forecast for certain most usually gotten clarification on pressing issues. Presently, everybody realizes that cryptocurrency is an extremely unmistakable computerized resource. In this video, you will learn about ETH cost expectation and must-know insights regarding it on the off chance that you are new to crypto venture. The authorities have just planned the digital currency to fill in as a vehicle of trade. ETH is correct now the best coin to mine after BTC, and many are money management too. Thus it is critical to realize the ETH price prediction which could clear some haze. Before straightforwardly jumping to Ethereum cost forecast 2022, we prescribe you to peruse the whole post in light of the fact that in this way you will see a greater picture. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized open-source blockchain framework that highlights its own digital currency, Ether. ETH fills in as a stage for various other digital currencies. It was first depicted in a 2013 white paper by Vitalik Buterin, alongside the fellow benefactors, got financing for the task in a web-based public group deal in the late spring of 2014. Alongside this, the task group likewise figured out how to bring around $18 million up in Bitcoin and Ethereum cost in the ICO, with in excess of 60 million Ether sold. The Ethereum Foundation additionally sent off the blockchain authoritatively on July 30, 2015, under the codename Outskirt. Since then, there have been a few organization refreshes. You may likewise really take a look at those reports on a few sites on Google. There are around 8 prime supporters of the crypto project. Vitalik Buterin, Gavin Wood, Anthony Di Lorio, Charles Hoskinson, Mihai Alisi, Joseph Lubin, and Amir Chetrit are the prime supporter of the Ethereum project. As of the rundown of September 2022, there was around 117.6 million ETH coin available for use, where 72 million were given in the beginning square and 60 million were dispensed to the initial patrons. Numerous things that ETH coin will beat the cost of BTC, which is extremely more uncertain. These sorts of Ethereum cost conjectures are simply excessively dubious and ought to be kept away from to begin a warm discussion via virtual entertainment. Who is the founder of Ethereum? There are a sum of 8 prime supporters behind the Ethereum coin, which could say countless activities. Every one of the individuals were initially met on June 7, 2017, in Zug, Switzerland. The Russian-Canadian Vitalik Buterin is most popular of the bundle. He created the first white paper that originally depicted Ethereum in 2013, regardless chips away at working on the stage right up until today. Before ETH, Buterin helped to establish and compost for the Bitcoin magazine's news site. Indeed, the second accomplice who was a piece of the task is British software engineer Gavin Wood. He is the second most significant fellow benefactor of ETH. In the wake of perusing his tweet, many individuals began to make debate via virtual entertainment and didn't take it emphatically. They recently felt that this is simply including science in unnatural domains. Because of the few security defects on the lookout, the cross-chain SPAN encouraged or mentioned their clients to eliminate endorsements for 6 tokens after a caution. As per the most recent updates on the lookout, clients of multi-chain who didn't refresh their endorsement as have shared yesterday have been acted and lost their 445 wrapped Ether, $1.4 million, according to the task tweeted on Tuesday. There have been not many tokens on the lookout, and multi-chain taught its clients to take its endorsement for 6 tokens and said something else: their resources would be presented to a security weakness. These are the name of the token: WETH, PIRI, OMT, WBNB, MATIC, and AVAX. According to the updates, the decentralized money security firm DEDOB was quick to track down the blemish, and later, the multi-chain said that it has been fixed. Ethereum empowers engineers to plan and work on brilliant agreements, which consequently execute tasks under unambiguous circumstances. These are our Ethereum cost expectations for the impending years. Remember that actually market drifts profoundly influence the value activities of the coin. Bitcoin is correct now in a downtrend at the hour of compassing this basic, which implies we cannot anticipate any additions for a couple of forthcoming weeks. ETH Price Prediction 2022. The assumption for the authorities has obviously said that Ethereum will contact an extremely certified level ever in 2022, which is $4,710. A future expectation perhaps going to be, in actuality. Toward the finish of 2022, ETH 2.0 will be live, and we will see excessive cost activities of ETH coin too. Numerous different sources uncover ETH cost forecast, saying that it could cross $5,000 toward the finish of 2022.